Guys, Chance here, and I'm gonna continue the fourth night on Five Nights at Freddy's. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm doing it for you guys. Let's go. Okay. Fourth night. Yellow? Oh my god, Foxy's already out. Yeah.
I'm kind of glad that I recorded my message for you. So when I did, hey, do me a favor. Maybe sometime you can check inside those in the back room.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold out until someone checks. Maybe it won't be so bad.
So apparently he was stuffed in an animal costume.
Back there.
Who the hell? What the? God. Oh my god! Oh! Ooh, Chica. Hi, Chica. Oh god. No, you better not be outside my door. No, no. No. No, no. Okay. No! No, there's not a... Is that you? Oh my god. Really? Seriously? I'm freaking... You're freaking me out right now. Okay, here's my Foxy. Oh, hello, Freddy. Oh my god! Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna have to go through the fourth night of this crap. Stay in there, Foxy. Oh god. Hello, Foxy. Why did I say Foxy? That's Chica. Stay in there. Okay. No! Okay. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. What the hell? Oh my god, Freddy! Come on, it's 5 a.m. Come on, bro. Just... You stay in there, Foxy. Okay. Nope. Hello. Oh my god, go away, go away! No! Yes! Woo! So, guys, I'm gonna be, posting another video tomorrow. And, yeah, have a nice day, bros. Bye!